22 Crazy AI brings you today's curated AI industry news. Amazon Nova 2 Omni becomes the industry's first unified multimodal model. Anthropic makes its first acquisition of Bun to strengthen Claude code infrastructure. Mistral releases a 675B parameter open source model. And MiniMax M2 leads all open source models on code generation benchmarks. Let's dive into today's developments. Amazon unveiled a comprehensive upgrade to the Nova 2 model family at reInvent 2025. Nova 2 Lite outperforms Claude Haiku 4.5 on 13 benchmarks, while Nova 2 Omni becomes the industry's first unified multimodal model that both understands and generates text, images, video, and speech. Even more impressive is Nova Forge. For just $100,000 annually, you get access to model checkpoints to build customized models. Nova Act agents achieve 90% reliability in browser automation, already helping Hertz and 1Password reduce QA testing cycles from weeks to hours. Cisco, Siemens, Reddit, Sony, and other enterprises have already adopted these services across threat detection, video understanding, and workflow automation use cases. Anthropic completed its first acquisition since founding, paying low hundreds of millions for Bun, the JavaScript runtime. Why? Because Claude Code ships as a Bun executable to millions of users and hit a $1 billion annualized revenue run rate just 6 months after public launch. Bun creator Jared Sumner says AI coding tools went from cool demo to actually useful in late 2024, and Bun's single-file executables are perfect for cross-platform deployment. The best part? Bun keeps its MIT open-source license. The original team continues public development, but now backed by Anthropic's resources to focus on building the best JavaScript tooling without worrying about monetization. Mistral just dropped their most ambitious release yet, all under Apache 2.0 open source licensing. Mistral Large 3 hit number 2 on the LMA Arena open source leaderboard, using sparse mixture of experts architecture with 675 billion total parameters, trained from scratch on 3,000 H200 GPUs. What's really interesting is the Mistral series at 3B, 8B, and 14B parameters. The 14B reasoning model achieves 85% on AMY 2025 math competition. That's massive for a mid-sized model. Working with VLM and Red Hat, they released optimized checkpoints that let you run Mistral Large 3 on a single 8 GPU node. It's immediately available on Bedrock, Azure, Hugging Face. Mistral positions this as unrestricted commercial use to democratize frontier AI, directly challenging closed-source competitors. The open-source code generation race just got real. MiniMax M2 topped the official SWE-bench leaderboard at 69.4%, with DeepSeek v3.2 close behind at 67.8% and GLM 4.6 showing strong performance. What's fascinating is how they achieve this. MiniMax solves problems requiring over 200 steps, demonstrating genuine long-horizon reasoning. DeepSeek flattens around 100 steps, but costs just $15 to run the entire SWE-bench evaluation. That's insanely cost-efficient. Compare that to proprietary models like Gemini 3 Pro and Claude 4.5 Opus hovering around 74%, and you see the gap closing fast. The MiniSWE agent is open source, reproducible with 2 commands. This democratizes frontier code generation. When MiniMax matches Kimi K2 at 83% on Live Code Bench while maintaining $0.44 per problem, we're seeing real production viability for open-source coding AI. Here's today's craziest question. Mistral Large 3 already ranks #2 on the open-source leaderboard. MiniMax M2 trails GPT-5 by just 5 percentage points on code generation. And open-source models are evolving faster than expected. Do you think open-source AI can catch up to or even surpass top proprietary models within a year? Or will proprietary models maintain their lead? What's your take? Comment below. 22 Crazy AI, more craziness tomorrow.